Hey friends, if you encounter the error Diskpart has encountered an error on Windows, then please watch this video. The first solution is disk error checking. So open the file explorer, go to this PC, right click on the drive which you wish to get checked, click on show more options and then select properties, go to tools, click on check, click on scan drive. The second solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is to create the disk partition again. So search for disk management and then click on clear and format hard drive. Now let's say we have this one, the C drive here, and we need to create one more drive. So right click on it, select shrink volume, wait for a few minutes till it loads the shrink volume page, and once it loads the shrink volume page you will see what we can do further. Let's say that I need a 10 GB drive, so I'll type 10,000 here. I mean, consider 1024 MB as 1 GB and then click on shrink, and then it will start shrinking and give us a little bit of unallocated space. We will right click on that unallocated space and select new simple volume, next, 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 finish, and a new drive, the D drive, has been created, as you can see here. So this is how you create a new drive from scratch. If the drive is problematic, you can recreate it after backing up the content. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.